Okay, and finally then you might want to start kind of working on the description and the wording and things in your story map. So it's relatively intuitive, but if I just show you through a few things. So obviously on the left hand side, this is where you're moving between pages, and always that little button there is how you can edit it. If you want to change the order of those, then you want to go into organize, and you can just drag and drop those different sections around to organize your storybook. Up at the top you'll find some useful things. This is where you can change your layout and the theme and the fonts and sort of things like that to make it look nice and pretty. Again, you know how to add sections, and you know that if you're editing a section you can then do things like adding images and videos, and you can add images and videos and things in the side panel as well by using that little button there. All right. The other thing just to think about is you might be wondering what on earth this fix button is about. That's really related to when it comes to sharing your story map when you've finished it so that other people can view it, and obviously we'll want to be able to view each other's. The reason it just says fix is that some of the things that you might have added haven't necessarily been shared publicly. So if you just click here, anything that's not shared publicly, ask it to be shared publicly, and then it will all match the rest of your story map so that when somebody enters your story map they'll be able to see all of those different maps that you added. So then you can click close and that'll be all sorted. When it does come to wanting to share your story map, it's that button at the top, unsurprisingly, which is called share, and probably the easiest way is to use that link under the socialise bit and send that to people. All right, happy story mapping.